So you can open this up. You can come over here and pop this up. And so you can push inside the middle and pull down. It should come down. And there's a glove there. I don't know why it's there. Pull out this cover. There's a nest there. See a lot of poop there. Oh, this is a dead. Oh, this is a dead mouse there. Oh, this no there. It's the two so far. Another glove. Hopefully there's nothing else in there. Yeah, so no more stuff in there. So this is all the stuff that's in it. Glove, and two dead mouse. Make sure when you put the cam filter back on, make sure face upward. And put this back up. And put this back. That's it.